Hello everyone, today we're going to multiply radical expressions wherein the indices and radicands are different. Now, as a review, in the expression the nth root of a raised to the m power, n is the index, a is the radicand, and then m is the exponent of the radicand. And then, of course, this is the radical symbol or the radical sign. Okay? So, let us have an example. Let us multiply number 1. Okay. Let us multiply the following. Following radical expressions. Okay, number 1. Let's say we have the square root of 3 times the fourth root of 5. Okay, so notice that the indices are different, right? So here, in the first expression, radical expression, the index is 2. This one. And then here, in the second radical, the index is 4. Okay. So, our first step is we're going to, again, write the radicals in exponential form. So, for the first radical, we have 3 raised to the exponent 1 over the index 2. Okay? Then, times, for the second radical, we have 5. Then, index, not the index, exponent 1 over the index 4. Okay. So, here, we're going to write the radicals in exponential form. And the next step is we're going to change the rational exponent or the exponents into similar fractions. So, as you can see, they are dissimilar fractions, right? So, you will just copy 3. Then, we have also 5. Okay. So, this time, you're going to look for the LCD. Find the LCD. So, here in this case, the LCD is 4, right? So, 4. To find the LCD, sometimes it is easy to choose a number that can be divided by 2 and then 4. And then sometimes you will just, in some cases, just multiply the denominators, like 3 times 4, so that is 12. The LCD is 12. But then here, the LCD is 4. Okay. So we have 4 divided by 2, that is 2, times 1, we have 2. Then, for the second one, 4 divided by 4, we have 1, times 1, we have 1. Okay? So, here, change the rational exponents to similar fractions. Okay, next step is that we're going to rewrite the product as a single radical. So, given the exponents as now similar fractions, so we're going to get the denominator as the index. So, we have the fourth root of 3 raised to the second power, then times 5 raised to the first power. Okay. So, here we're going to write the product as a single radical or as a radical. Okay. Then after that, we're going to simplify. We have the fourth root of 3 squared is 9 times 5. So we have the fourth root of 45. So this is the answer for number 1. So here we're going to simplify. Okay. Next, number 2. Let's say we have cube root of 18 times square root of 3. So, indices are different and also radicands are different. Okay? So, first step again, which is we're going to rewrite the radicals in exponential form. So, we have 18 raised to 1 over the index 3. Then, for the second radical, we have times 3 raised to 1 over, the exponent is 1, and then the index is 2. Okay. Then, next is we're going to change the rational exponents into similar fractions. So, we have 18 and then 3. So, here, the LCD is 6. So, let us now divide 6. So, 6 divided by 3, we have 2. Times 1, we have 2. Then, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Times 1, we have 3. Then, next is we're going to rewrite the product as a single radical, since that we have here now same rational exponents. So, we're going to get the denominator. So, make it as the index. So, we have the 6th root of 18 raised to the second power times 3 raised to the third power. Okay. Then, let us now simplify. We have the 6th root of 18 squared is equal to 324. Then, times 3 cubed is 27. Now, that is equal to the 6th root of 8,748. Okay? Now, since that 8,748 has factors wherein one of its factors is a perfect 6 power, so we're going to factor it. That is 729 and then 12. Okay? So, 729 is a perfect 6th power factor. So, that is 3. So, the 6th root of 729 is 3. Then, you will just copy the 6th root of 12. So, the answer for number 2 is 3 6th root of 12. Okay? Next, that's number 2. So, number 3. Let's say we have the 5th root of x squared times the cube root of xy. Okay. So, first step is we're going to rewrite this into this radical into exponential form. So, we have 2. This one, 2 over the index 5. Okay, times this one, xy. Enclose this in a parenthesis. Its exponent is 1 over the index 3. Okay. Then, after that, we're going to make these rational exponents into similar fractions. So, we have x and then times xy. Okay. So, LCD here is 15. Okay. Now, let us divide 15 divided by 5. That is 3. Times 2, we have 6. Then, 15 divided by 3, we have 5. Times 1, we have 5. Okay. Then, after that, since that they are now similar fractions, and then they have same denominator, so you're going to make it as the index. So we have the 15th root of x, okay, raised to the 6th power times this one xy raised to the 5th power. Don't forget to enclose that in a parenthesis. Then this is now equals to the 15th root of x raised to 6. Then using the base law of exponents, so we have x raised to the 5th power, and then y raised to the 5th power. Then we have here now the 15th root of this one. You're going to make use of the product rule for exponents, wherein you're going to add the exponents. So we have x raised to 11th power, then copy this one, y raised to the 5th power. So you know now how to multiply radical expressions wherein the indices and radicands are different. So indices are different and also radicands are different. Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment also. If you have questions, just write it below. I'll answer you, and then click the notification button for more videos and updates. Thank you.